It's Meso, y'all. Welcome to my kitchen today, where I'm going to be showing you how to make something good, quick, simple, and delicious. You know it. That's the way it ought to be. You're going to be able to do it too. In your house, you're going to become the kitchen rock star baby. Come on, let's get started. Look at this. I'm going to tell y'all from the start. You got to try this. You got to do this at home. Oh my goodness. Can you tell I'm already excited? Let's see what we're going to be using. Here I have some black-eyed peas. I have some beef sausage. I have a couple of smoked turkey legs, and I'm going to be using some rotel. This is tomatoes with hot chili peppers in them. I have the hot kind. And I also have some chopped up red and yellow bell peppers, and I have some spring onions in the back. Now here's the way that I do my black-eyed peas most of the time. I'll just use a knife or some kind of kitchen utensil, and I'll just pull some over to the side and look at that side. You can't look at all of it at one time. You have to just look at a few and at a time and see what do you see in there. You see anything bad? Then if you don't, you just take that same tool and just break them off into the bowl. So then I'm going to take some more, and I'm going to take them off, and I'm going to just look through them. I'm going to look for the bad and the old and the ones with holes in them and scars all over them. Look at that one. That's an ugly one. So I'm going to pull that out. And I'll continue to do that with the entire bag. I'm going to do that. And then once I find all the good ones, I will just rake them into the bowl and continue to go. And then I'm going to wash them after I get all that done. You got to put that bowl below your counter. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here. Got some just lukewarm water running, and I am gonna put these black-eyed peas under the water, and I'm gonna just wash them. I'm gonna wash them good. There was no dirt. Sometimes you'll find dirt and rock inside them when you're picking through them. You'll have all that out before you get to the washing stage. And here I have my hot pot, a crock pot, already cooking. The water is already warm. And it's been cooking for a while, and I put my legs in, my smoked turkey legs. I also put in my bell pepper. I'm putting in my spring onion, honey. And here I have my beef sausages. I cut them up, and I'm just getting them straight in. I have my can of rotel. I'm putting it in. And then now I'm putting in my black-eyed peas, baby. Isn't that beautiful? Just look at that right there. Just feast your eyes on that. That is beautiful. But wait until you see some more, honey. Wait until you see. So I'm putting a little bit of salt in here. I'm putting some garlic powder. I'm putting some ground pepper. I'm putting in my Flavo rice. This is another season that I love, love, love. Makes anything taste good. It goes on anything. I'm just going to get all this mixed through here evenly. And then I'm going to get my lid on this slow cooker. Leave it on high cooking. Now here I've got me some water going into this pot. I put a little bit of bouillon in there, and I am going to put my rice in because I'm going to be cooking some rice, honey. Yeah, remember now we're making Hoppin John. That takes rice and black-eyed peas. Ooh. And so I'm going to let that cook 12 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and check on it, honey. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, pot full of rice. This is brown rice. You see how fluffy it is? Very, very nice. It's going to work out just right for the Hoppin John. Let's take a look. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Oh, it smells so good. So my turkey legs are cooking. Remember, these were already smoked. Basically, were already done. So, but I've gotten them out, and I've drained the water off my peas, but I reserved the water. And I've got these legs out, letting them cool, and I'm just going to begin to take all the meat off. Now when you have smoked turkey legs, sometimes the smoking will cause the skin to be tough. I bought these turkey legs. I didn't smoke them myself. What I'm doing is just making sure I'm going through and getting all these little fine bones out, the little thin bones and gristle and all that stuff. Some people cook this and they'll serve it within the food that they're cooking. And when you get it on your plate, you're going to have to pick all this stuff out. Now, when I serve your food, I don't want you to pick out anything. I don't want you to have to lay any bones on the side of your plate that came out of your mouth and all that kind of jive. I want to make you be able to sit down and just eat it, honey. If Meso prepared it, it's going to be right. Yeah, but so I'm taking all this stuff off here, though, and I'm getting it all straightened out so that I can just have a beautiful turkey meat, smoked turkey meat in my Hoppin Johns. This is not a traditional Hoppin John recipe. This is a Meso. This is a Meso recipe, honey. Oh, yeah. It's my take on the Southern Hoppin John. Now, I've chopped up this turkey meat, and you see it's going into my pot where I've already drained the water off of my peas, but I've put back in about a cup of water right down in the bottom of this slow cooker. Now, I'm mixing this up. You can see it's very hot. You see all the smoke coming from it. I'm mixing it up, and I'm coming back with my rice, baby. Yeah, I'm putting this rice in here, and I'm just mixing it around because I'm being careful because I don't want to break up my peas and get them all smushed up. I'm just stirring this around, honey. Is it looking like Hoppin John yet to you, baby? Is it looking like Hoppin John now? What do you say? Would you put this on your table, honey? Woo! I am getting so excited. I'm sorry, y'all. I am getting so excited. I'm just giddy with excitement because this looks so good. And I know it's good because I already tasted it. But I'm going to go through it again with you. I'm going to taste it because I want you to know that it tastes good. Yeah. Oh, you see my cute little spoons? I meant to show them to you, but I don't have time now. These are some wooden spoons and spatulas and different things that I have with Meso making, and I love using them. But right now, I can't talk about that too much because I got to get on this Hoppin John. I got to see what it gives. Okay, so I have got some grilled chicken. Skinless and boneless chicken breast is what it is. And I made some sweet cornbread. And so I want to taste this Hoppin John. Look at there. Look at there. Look at there. It's a southern dish. Yeah, a southern dish. Look at that, y'all. The sausage and the rice. The peas. Honey, believe me, that John is hopping. Whatever that means, I don't know. I don't know how it got its name, but believe me, this is good. You got to try this. Oh, I'm telling you, you got to try this. It'll be the best thing you put in your mouth. It's so good. Really good. I don't need anything else. I don't need any chicken or bread or anything. This is just delicious. I give it a big 10, honey, a big 100, and everything that you can possibly give this dish that says A-OK. I want to thank you guys for stopping by to check on me because you wanted to know what I was doing today. Well, you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint, honey. If you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to thank you. I appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, I want you to subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell until the parentheses come around the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a big thumbs up and share my video wherever you're active on social media. Leave me a comment because I love hearing from y'all. I love hearing what you have to say. Guess what, y'all? I am now on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter and TikTok and all these other platforms. I'm new there. Go over there and give me some support. Follow me. Show me some support over there. Show me some love. But especially on Facebook. When you try some of my recipes and you cook them, I want you to take a picture. Put it up on Facebook so I can see what you did and how yours turned out. Hey, yours might be better than mine. That's okay. I would love seeing that, honey. Just let me see what you're doing. I want to thank you guys for coming by again. You know what? I want you to love yourself. First of all, love yourself. Care about yourself. And then care about somebody else. Yeah, that's right. Go love somebody else. And the way you do that is share your food, honey. Bye-bye.